Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ariijay, that's J-A-Y, and in today's video, we are going to be answering the age-old question, who is Ariijay? But before we get into the video, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on your notifications so that you never miss another upload. Now, with that being said, let's get into the video. First, I'm going to start off by telling you guys just a little bit about myself. My name is Ariana J. Rembert. I am 22 years old. I am married to the love of my life, the man of my dreams. And my husband is in the Air Force, so I guess that makes me a military wife. Whatever that means, whatever that entails, I guess I'm a military wife. I am from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Yes, they have black people in Milwaukee, and no, we did not grow up on a farm, okay? We grew up in the city, okay? Now, we're going to get into these questions. I asked you guys to send me some questions on my Instagram. If you missed that, it's because you do not follow me on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram at _AriJ_. The names of all my social media are also in the description box. So what are you doing? Follow me on my social media. Now, let's get into these questions. First question, where do you see yourself in 10 years? In 10 years, obviously, well, not obviously, but hopefully, we're praying, trying hard. We will be still happily married in 10 years. We've been married for about 1.5 years now, so that would be 11 going on 12 years. So hopefully we'll still happily married in 10 years. We will have 2 kids by that time. Boy, girl, boy, girl, girl. It really does not matter. We just want 2 kids. And then I almost said 10. Oh no. 2 kids. And then we're done. Finito. Okay. Also, I want to be working in my field of choice, which is the veterinary field. I honestly do not care in what capacity that I work in the veterinary field. I just want to work with animals. I want to rescue animals. I want to help sick animals. I want to play with animals. That is what I want to do with my life. I will get more specific. There's a question on here where I get more specific about what I want to do with animals. So I guess I do know what capacity I want to work with. Anyway, next question. What's the craziest thing you've ever done in your relationship? Now, I'm just going to plead the fifth on this question because we've done some crazy stuff, but the statute of limitations is not up, okay? So we cannot talk about that, all right? So we just going to go to the next question. Question number 3. How did your marriage come about? Now, for those of y'all who know me and my husband, who have known us most of our lives, y'all know this is a very long, complicated, sometimes irritating, sometimes funny story. But I'm going to cut this real short for y'all, okay? Let's go. We met each other in 1st, 2nd, or 3rd grade. He will tell y'all 1st grade, but he doesn't come into my memory until 3rd grade when we started going to the same summer camp. He liked me. I did not like him. Then I liked him, and one of his friends told me that he didn't like me. Anyway, skip all of that. The first time we dated was the summer after 8th grade, when we first graduated 8th grade, going into our freshman year of high school. I'm a believer, and I believe that the Holy Spirit told me that he was going to be my husband. And as y'all can see, he is. But the Holy Spirit told me that he was going to be my husband. I got scared, and I jumped out of that ship real quick. I didn't tell him that, but I told him something else. But yeah, I got out of that relationship real quick. I was going to freshman year of high school. I was not trying to hear about no husband, okay? So yeah, I jumped out of that relationship real quick. But somehow, by the grace of God, we always ended up in the same summer programs. We went to the same college prep program. We were in the same summer camp. And throughout the school year, our summer camp would throw events, and we always ended up at those together. So we were always flirting. We got in trouble for kissing a few times in summer camp. Yeah. And then our senior year of high school, the summer before our senior year of high school, we finally got back together in a relationship. That relationship lasted, I want to say, a little bit over a year. And then he broke up with me. Right. He broke up with me right before he went to BMT for the Air Force, which is basic military training. To this day, I don't know why. So he broke up with me right before he went to BMT. After he graduated BMT, I went to his graduation, celebrated that with him. And then he went to tech school to learn his job that he does in the military. And we got back together when he came home for Christmas break. And then when he came home again for the last time before he moved to England, he proposed to me. So we got engaged. And then he was in England for a year, came back, we got married. I moved here about a month or two after that. And then now here we are in our bedroom. So that's the story of how my marriage came about, how my relationship came about, whatever you want to call it. Long story short. Next question. Two people asked me kind of the same question, so I'm just going to mush them together, which is how is life in the UK / how are you liking the UK? So life in the UK, honestly, is just uneventful. Where we live, it's a farmland, so there isn't much to do. There isn't much to see unless you want to drive like an hour, 2 hours out to London or to like Wales or something like that, which we have done before. We've gone to London, we've been to Wales. After you've done that kind of stuff, I mean, there probably is more out here for people if you're into history and you want to see old buildings, ruins, stuff like that. There's plenty for you to do. That's just not our vibe, so we're kind of bored. I'm not going to complain too much because I feel so blessed to be here. Honestly, this is the opportunity of a lifetime. I will remember this for the rest of my life. I will tell my kids, my grandchildren that I lived in the UK. Like, I love the opportunity that I have. The weather here it's my kind of weather, okay? It's gloomy, kind of cold, kind of hot, and it rains a lot. And that's all I need, okay? So I'm loving life in the UK. I'm a little bit bored, but hey, that's the lifestyle, okay? Next question. Wow. Are you pregnant? And if not, when are you planning to have kids? I get asked this question so much by like family members, family friends, people back home. Everybody think I'm pregnant. I can't even post about having baby fever without somebody thinking I'm pregnant. So we're going to squash this right here. To my knowledge, Ariana Rembert is not pregnant. No, we are not pregnant. We are not having a baby right now. But we do plan on having babies, not within the next 3 years, but after 3 years. So when we turn 25, 26, we're going to start trying to have children. We're going to start trying for children, and if it's in God's will, we will have our 2 kids within 25, 26, 27. We'll have our 2 kids and be done. Okay? Are y'all satisfied? No, I'm not pregnant. But yes, we plan on having children. All right. Next question. What's your dream job? Okay, so this is my dream job. I don't think it's too crazy. It's not too out there either. But it's mine, okay? So in my dream world, we will be living in a house with some land. Hopefully a farmhouse, because that's what I really, really, really want. But that's not what my husband wants. So I'm just going to say a house with some land. And on that land, I will have a shed. And I'm going to turn that shed or barn into a doggy daycare. So there's going to be boarding, there's going to be a place where dogs can get their shots, and then there's going to be a place where dogs can run around, have fun, and interact with each other. And it's going to be like a fenced in, like a country little fenced in barn, you know, and the dogs are going to be able to run around, sleep, eat, get their shots. It's going to be a veterinary clinic. That is my dream job. I want to own that business for myself. With employees, how many ever employees I need, I want that business for myself because dogs are my life. And I have a dog, and she's running around this room. As y'all, I think y'all can see her. Okay. Bella, look at her. That's my dog, my honey boo boo, my Bella. No, get down. That's Bella. Okay. Next question. Favorite YouTubers. Okay, let me try to remember, because I watch a lot. Well, I don't watch a lot of YouTubers, but I watch a lot of the same kind of genre. So my OG YouTube couple, De'Ara and Ken, And then there's Kaylin and Kyra. Those are the two couples that I love to watch. Also, Only One Jess. She's a natural hair YouTuber also. I love her content because her hair texture, her hair type is a little bit closer to mine. She got a lot more hair than I do because I keep cutting mine, but I love watching her. Also, Lavishly Brit. I love watching Lavishly Brit. She's also an Air Force wife. So we have that in common. And she gives really good tips. So if y'all want to follow those people, there's De'Ara and Ken, Kaylin and Kyra, Only One Jess, and Lavishly Brit. Oh, do not let me forget Auntie Jackie Ina, okay? I don't even wear makeup, but I will sit down and watch her 20-minute video just like I do wear makeup. And if I get my hands on her palette, y'all gonna have to stop me because I'm gonna be out here looking a hot mess trying to do eyeshadow looks that I know I don't know how to do. Okay, let me get my hands on that ABH palette. Okay, last and final question. What do you do for a living? And the answer to that question is, I don't. I'm a stay-at-home wife, a stay-at-home dog mom for now. I do not have a job. This is what I do. And I just started doing this, so I'm not making any money. This is just to keep me busy, something fun to do while I'm here by myself. Other than that, that's it. I don't do anything. I don't have a job. Hopefully, wherever we go next, I'm able to get a job and help out. But right now, these are our circumstances. This is the life we're living. We chose to be a military family, and this is sometimes what comes with it. The wife or the spouse can't work or can't do much. That's the life of a military spouse sometimes. But with that being said, that is all the questions that I have for you guys today. I will be doing an updated Q&A, not soon, but a while from now I'll be doing an updated Q&A. So if you guys have any more questions that you want me to answer or anything that wasn't said in this video that you wanted to know, follow me on my Instagram and let me know the questions you have, and I will try to answer them in my next Q&A whenever I do a Q&A. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and turn on your notifications because, like I always say, I will be uploading many more videos, and you don't want to miss that, right? All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.